yung mga leader, yung mga financier, yung mga protector, hindi nakukulong. Wala naman na i-report, Mr. Chair, di ba? Kaya tingin tuloy ng tao, moro-moro lagi itong investigasyon natin because nothing is happening for the longest time. Wala pong nakukulong. May nakulong na po ba na gobernador? May nakulong na po ba na mayor? May nakulong na ba konsehal? May nakulong na ba regional director, provincial director? Wala pa pong nakukulong.
Personally, it would be demeaning to say that this committee, more so this House, has not accomplished anything in investigation similar to what we are doing here. Not all elected government officials are guilty of illegal gambling. May mga gagong government officials, meron din mga gago rin sa service, but not all. We cannot say that to everyone, Mr. Chair. Ako, nag-mayor ako. Pinasara ko yung dalawang sabungan sa amin.
Local government officials, elected officials are involved in illegal gambling. My point is, my question was, may nakulong na po ba na mayor or na gobernador na nasasakupan niya yung kanyang lugar na may illegal gambling? Wala pa po eh. Well, congratulations po sa mga LGU natin na mga mayor, gobernador, na congressman na wala pong illegal gambling sa kanilang lugar because meron po silang political will. It's called political will.